is for class 8 computer studies. In this video, I am going to explain how to convert a binary number to a decimal number. In my last video, I have explained how to convert a decimal number to a binary number. Also to identify different numbers of different number system. Okay. Today I am going to focus on binary to decimal conversion. Before I start with binary to decimal conversion, I just wanted to revise what is a binary number. I believe everyone remembers binary number means a number which uses zeros and ones. It uses zeros and ones to form a number. Binary number uses zeros and ones to form a number. For example, 1011. So now there are 4 digits in this number and each digit is 0 or 1. Also it has a base value, that is 2. So binary number system means a number system which uses zeros and ones for forming a number, and the base value of the number system is 2. Or you can say each digit in this number system can have numbers below 2. Everyone knows numbers below 2 are 0 and 1. Okay, so now this is an example for a binary number. So now today I am going to explain how to convert this to a decimal number. And before I move into that, a general instruction I would like to share with you, that is, in computers, in your lower classes, you might have heard that is bits and bytes. Bits and bytes. Bit means a single binary digit. Now we are learning binary numbers, so I would like to say what is a bit. Bit means it is a single binary digit. That means this is one bit, this is another bit, this is another, and this is another bit. There are 4 bits in this number. So bits means it is a single binary digit. Please remember, if there is a question, what is a bit? Bit means it is a single binary digit. Now, what is a byte? This means combination of 8 bits, we call it as byte. Byte means collection or group of 8 bits. Group of 8 bits, we call it as 1 byte. Please do remember, if there is a question, what is a bit and what is a byte? Bit means a single binary digit and byte means group of 8 bits. Together we call it as a byte. Okay, now let's move into conversion. How to convert a binary number to a decimal number. Now let's convert a binary number to a decimal number. My first example is 101 to the base 2, which I am going to convert from binary to decimal. So now there are procedures which needs to be followed for converting from binary to decimal that you must remember and you must apply it at the time of conversion. In my last video, I have explained how to convert a decimal number to a binary number, and I have given set of rules for converting, and many of you have not gone through the rules or the procedure which was given and you had faced some difficulties. I request you all to go through the rules once again before you solve the sum. And the same thing here, whatever rules I'm going to give for converting from binary to decimal, you must remember those rules or the procedures and then apply while converting from binary to decimal. Step number 1, write all the digits of the current number system, that is binary. Now, please write the index for each one, that is index starting from 0 or the position for each digit. After you write this, each digit of this number system, each digit, how many digits are there? There are 3 digits, and each digit, that is the digits are 1, 0 and 1. Each digit is multiplied by the base of the number system. What is the base of this number system? The base of the number system is 2. So multiply by the base of the number system to the power of its position. What is the position of first digit? That is 0. So digit, that is 1, is multiplied by the base of the number system to the power of the position. Same way, 0 is the next digit which is multiplied by the base raised to the power of its position, that is 1. Then this is last digit, that is 1, multiplied by, that is the base to the power of 2. Now it's your simple mathematics, that is 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 0. Last year in mathematics you might have learned in exponents, that is anything to the power of 0 is 1. So that is a digit multiplied by 2 to the power of 0, which is equal to 1, which will give you the result 1. Next is 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1. 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2, and it is a simple mathematics. 0 multiplied by anything will give you the result 0. Next is 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2. That is 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 is 4. That is equal to 4. Finally, add all these numbers. That is 1 plus 0 plus 4, which is equal to 5. So your answer is 101 to the base 2 is equal to 5 to the base 10. So it is 101 to the base 2 is equal to 5 to the base 10. This is your answer. Example 2. Next example, let's take 1, 1, 1. Okay. This is your next example. There are 4 digits. Step number 1, I said write all the digits. That is 1, 1, 1 and 0. Step number 2, I said write its position. Now step number 3, I said take all the digits, and multiply each digit by its base to the power of its position. That is 0 multiplied by the base is 2 to the power of 0. Please repeat watching this part of the video because this is very important. That is, take the digit multiply by the base value to the power of its position. That is 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 0. Next digit is 1 multiplied by the base is 2 to the power of 1. Now 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of its position, that is 2, and this 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3. And it's your simple mathematics. 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 0. You have already learnt in your lower classes, that is anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, now this is number 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1, that is equal to 2. 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and here 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3. Here I wrote these things fast and I am just waiting for this. The reason is many children go wrong in this part. That is 2 to the power of 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 into 2 is 8. Many children make mistake here and they say it is 6. Because of that I am just explaining it. 2 to the power of 3 means, please repeat watching this. 2 to the power of 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 into 2 is equal to 4 and 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So your answer here is 8. And the next step is multiply this, your simple mathematics, that is 0 into the number 1, that is equal to 0. 1 into 2 is 2 and 1 into 4 is 4. 1 into 8 is 8, and at the end add all the numbers. That is 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. That is 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So your answer is 1110 base 2 is equal to 14 to the base 10. Okay, so let's take one more example and solve the sum. The next example is, that is example 3 is 1010. Doesn't matter how big the number is, the procedure remains the same. How many digits are here? There are 5 digits. The first thing is write all the digits in your number. Then take each digit. Doesn't matter how big the number is, the procedure remains the same. First thing is take all the digits in your number. Next is write its position. Next is take each digit in the number. Okay, so now these are the digits. Now one more thing, before I continue with this, I would like to add, this is one of the procedure for converting from binary to decimal. Please try to follow. This is the simplest or the basic method of converting from binary to decimal. There may be different ways, like as you become expert, even you can do it mentally. But right now, as a beginner, please try to stick to this explanation what I am giving you. After you grow bigger, you can do without even taking these steps. Even you can write the mental, you can do it mentally. Right now, that's not advisable. Please stick to the procedure what is explained. Okay, now let's move into the explanation. Take each digit, that is the first digit is 1, multiplied by the base of the number, that is 2, to the power of its position, that is 0. Next digit, that is 0, multiplied by the base of the number, that is 2, to the power of its position, that is 1. Next is 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of its position, that is 2. Next digit is 0 multiplied by the base of the number, that is 2, to the power of 3. The last digit is 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4. The next step is 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1, that is equal to 2. 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2, that is equal to 4. And next is 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3. In my previous example, I have explained what is 2 to the power of 3. That means 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8. And the last one is 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. And 8 into 2 is equal to 16. So your answer is 16 here. Now the next step is multiply both. You will get 1. 0 into 2 is 0. 1 into 4 is 4. 0 into 8 is 0. 16. The last step is add all these values. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. So you have a carry 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So your answer is 10101 to the base 2 is equal to 21 to the base 2. Hope you all have understood. I'll give you one exercise to be solved. I'll give you 5 questions. Please try to solve all the 5 questions soon after you watch this video.